Make-A-Wish helps to grant life-changing wishes to kids with critical illnesses. We came here to celebrate CMP and all the great work that the company has done for Make-A-Wish Maine over the past 2 decades. We're proud to grant the Wishmaker Award to CMP, and it's just for their long-standing support of Make-A-Wish and how they show up year in and year out to be able to help us to grant wishes to kids who really need our help.
Today, this is the best meeting of the day, okay?
We are so excited, everyone here at Central Maine Power and Avangrid, to be partners with Make-A-Wish and to be the recipients of the Wishmaker Award. We love Make-A-Wish. The individual employees are so excited whenever we get to work together to grant a wish, to make a dream come true for a child that needs it. It really does mean a lot to our employees.
CMP has been a supporter of Make-A-Wish for over 20 years, and CMP really has stood out in terms of the ongoing support that they've provided and have made a real difference in the lives of many, many kids and their families. Well, last year we had a record-breaking year, and we were able to grant wishes to 89 kids across the state of Maine.
Everything that we do at Central Maine Power, we do 110%. We work really hard no matter what it is, whether it's day-to-day business, power restoration, or making a dream come true.